Welcome to Engine Explorer, where luxury meets horsepower, and today, we're stepping into something that feels like it dropped from the future. This isn't just an RV. This is a Bugatti Chiron turned into a rolling supermansion, a beast with a jet engine soul and the comfort of a 5-star suite. Buckle up, because the 2026 Bugatti Chiron Motorhome is not here to play. Let's get this straight. Bugatti didn't just build a motorhome. They built a moving kingdom on wheels. At first glance, it looks like the Chiron you already know. Sleek, low-slung, screaming speed from every curve. But then your eyes pan out, and boom, a carbon fiber body stretching nearly 40 feet long, sitting on hypercar suspension with active aerodynamics. It's as if a private jet and a luxury yacht had a baby and gave it quad-turbo W16 power. That's right, under the hood, or more like under the entire rear half, you'll find the same 8.0L W16 engine, pushing out 2,500 horsepower. And guess what? It's still capable of reaching speeds over 200 mph, making it officially the fastest RV ever built. Who does that? Bugatti does. But speed is only half the story. Step inside and you enter a world that redefines luxury. Polished obsidian floors, hand-stitched Italian leather walls, and a panoramic smart roof that turns opaque or transparent with a touch. You're greeted by a central lounge area fitted with a jacuzzi tub, complete with mood lighting and temperature control. Yes, you heard that right. A jacuzzi inside a Bugatti. Behind the lounge is a glass elevator that leads you to the helipad. Yes, the roof transforms into a mini helipad for Bugatti's matching drone chopper. Built for short urban hops or quick air getaways. What other RV offers you flight options on the go? There's also a retractable cinema with an 8K OLED screen and surround sound tuned by Devialet. Every piece of this vehicle is made with insane attention to detail. Gold-threaded accents, touchscreen everything, and even a biometric lock system for each zone. Privacy mode? Built-in. Champagne chiller? Of course, hidden vault. Why not? The bedroom suite is tucked away like a penthouse at the rear, featuring adaptive climate zones, smart glass walls that can display the stars, and a memory foam bed that adjusts to your sleep posture in real time. Oh, and yes, there's a walk-in wardrobe and a marble-clad bathroom with rainfall shower. Fuel efficiency? Honestly, if you're buying this, that's probably the last thing on your mind. But it still comes with a hybrid boost system for quieter city drives. Is this practical? Absolutely not. Is it glorious, jaw-dropping, and ridiculously over the top? Oh yes, and that's exactly the point. This is the 2026 Bugatti Chiron Motorhome, built for billionaires, dreamed by engineers and gawked at by the rest of us. And if you thought Bugatti couldn't top their own game, think again. Thanks for watching Engine Explorer, where dreams meet the road. Don't forget to like and share.